Hey there, welcome to Crafting Unedited. I am Sierra and today you won't see my face. No, today I'm going to show you this neat little hack for Cricut Design Space for uploading an image. You know, when you upload your own image and you end up with like all those little dots and crazy mess of a picture, it's not really what you're looking for. I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix that using Cricut Design Space on a MacBook. It's easier on the app than it is on a computer if you don't know this hack. So I'm going to show you real quick. Let's go ahead, jump in. Let's find a picture here. I've already got my design space open. I've already gone to upload an image, and what image do I want to do here? There was one in here that I really wanted to check out. I like this Grinch face. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, nope, he's already in SVG. Let's see. Recents. Where's all my stuff? Where's all my pictures? Hang tight, guys. Let's find an image here. I usually have them all together, but for some reason I don't. My computer did something. I don't know. Let's see, which one can I pull up? Let's do this cross stitch. It's a JPG, so it may or may not look a little funky. So now what I have is just the image, and I have it over on complex. I hit continue. I'm going to remove the background that I can see. I'm going to go to preview. Look at that well, that's not really that bad. But normally there's like a bunch of dots here, there, everywhere, and it's all kinds of squiggly. So what you're going to do is go over here to advanced options, and you're going to go, I just put it all the way to 16. And then when you preview it, still kind of wonky. And then you go over to color tolerance. I just scroll until I find a smoothness that I like. As you can see right here, all of those ridges and squiggly lines are starting to disappear. And the more that you do it, the more they disappear. How cool is that? And I don't know the ending of this. I haven't really tried to see how far it goes, but it goes pretty far apparently. So yeah, that is pretty simple, guys. I mean, that's really how, oops, I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get rid of that middle part there. Can I get rid of the middle part without, nope, can't get rid of the middle part without getting rid of the whole thing. That's all right. That's okay. Yeah, it's all there. Okay then. So that is that one. Let me see if I can find another image for you guys that might have a bit more of the squiggliness going on. Let's try Undertaker. I'm doing this for a friend as a gift. Undertaker. This one might be good because if you look around the word, you see all those black little lines. Nope, just kidding. I'll find a picture. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I should have found a picture before I got on here with you, but you know, I'm all about that spontaneous life. Right. Let's try always. Complex. Preview. Nope. Man, I got some good images in here. Let's go back before I knew what I was doing. Alright, let's just, oh, I know one. We just passed it. Where are you? I was scrolling so fast, I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know if I want to do something that crazy. I think it's this. Okay. This little magic wand here. Though. Nope. Dang. Sorry, guys. I'm pretty good at this now. I know there's some in here that need it because I've had to do them before. Try Baby Yoda. Oh, he's big. Let's zoom out. Let's see, preview. Nope. So normally in Design Space, there is all of these squiggles and bumps and crazy messes. So, oh, that's because I already had it. Oh, goodness. No, same thing. All right. You win, Design Space. You're not going to let me prove you right. But if you're a crafter and you've used Design Space before, you know exactly what I am talking about. You know that when you go to upload an image, there's all these fine dots and squiggly lines, and it's just creating a massive mess for you. So this is how you fix that mess. Go to advanced options over here on the left hand side, and then I go all the way to 16. You don't have to. And then this, I just scroll until I find something that I like. And I try to keep it in preview when I do that so that I can see what I'm doing. Here we go. So you can see the difference. It's very subtle as it does it, but what it's doing is it's making things a little bit wider and cleaning it up. So like in the app where you have the smooth and despeckle, it's kind of the same concept. It's just reduce colors and color tolerance rather than smooth and despeckle. All right, so then once you've got all your stuff the way that you want it, I gotta zoom in a little bit here. Gotta get the little twinkles in his eyes because he's just so darn cute. All right, and then you go to continue, and there he is. There's Baby Yoda, all cutesy tootsy there. Look how cute he is. And then you go to save, and you've got yourself a print and cut image. That's it, guys. That's all I had for you today. A whole 7.5 minutes of wonderful hacks. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials and just fun crafting ideas for you. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.